The Federal Reserve just made a pivotal move, cutting interest rates. This isn't just headline news, it's a game changer for your investment strategy. We're diving into what this means for your portfolio and revealing 3 crucial stocks you should be watching right now. First up, Apple. Cheaper borrowing costs ignite consumer spending, especially in tech. Expect a surge in demand for premium devices and services, boosting Apple's already strong position. Next, consider JP Morgan Chase. Lower rates typically spark a lending boom. As loans become more affordable, banks like JP Morgan are poised to see increased activity and profitability. Finally, look at Prologis. Real estate, particularly industrial and logistics properties like warehouses, thrives when interest rates drop. This makes expansion and development more attractive, driving growth for Prologis. Don't view rate cuts as a signal for panic. They are powerful catalysts for opportunity. These shifts can unlock significant value. Stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on these market dynamics. Follow for more urgent investing insights and strategic plays.